Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to enable developer option, how to turn on developer option in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to use iqoo mobile developer option setting. So friends, now let's see how to use iqoo mobile developer option setting. One by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your iqoo mobile you want to use developer option setting. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here. Friends, if you click here shortcut setting, so friends you cannot use developer option setting in iqoo mobile. Scroll down here, open your phone system setting. Friends, you can use developer option setting in system setting, but when developer option setting is not here. How to use developer option setting in iqoo mobile? Friends, open your phone about phone setting and scroll down here. Click here software information setting. Again scroll down here. Friends, you can check your iqoo mobile build number and 7 tap on build number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you are a developer option, and friends you have your lock screen password, so enter your lock screen password and you can use iqoo mobile developer option setting. Draw your pattern to continue. Friends, now you are a developer. Now you are a developer. Friends, again open your phone system setting, scroll down here. Friends, you can check developer option setting will show. Click here, you can use developer option setting. Friends, there are many settings in developer option setting: automatic system update setting, system UI demo mode setting. There are many settings. So friends, if you scroll down you can use many settings. So like that friends, you can use developer option setting in iqoo mobile. You can enable developer option. Friends, you can check developer option setting is here. If you turn off developer option setting and if you click here back button friends, automatic your developer option will remove in your iqoo mobile. Again you want to use, open your phone about phone setting, open your phone software information setting, 7 tap here on build number and you can use developer option setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.